In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix cast device not working on Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So the first thing you want to do is shift from a public to a private network profile. Now, Windows 11 intentionally locks down all inbound and outbound media casting data packets if your Wi-Fi connection profile is set to public to protect you on public hotspots. So all you want to go ahead and do is press Windows key and I, and then go ahead and click Network and Internet on the left. Now click on Wi-Fi on the top panel, and then under the network profile area, switch it from public and switch it to private instead, because otherwise it's just not going to work. Now what you want to go ahead and do is enable advanced network discovery. So press Windows key and S, and then type in control panel. So we're going to type that in right now, and then just go ahead and hit enter. Now navigate to network and internet. And then what you want to go ahead and do is go over to Network and Sharing Center, then click on the Change Advanced Sharing Settings, which is going to be right here. Now expand your private network drop-down tier and toggle network discovery to on, as you can see right there, and then you'll be good to go.